To be able to simplify this rational expression, we need the identities of difference of squares and the identity of difference of cubes. All right, so the first thing, difference of cubes, a cube minus b cube. This identity is a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. We need that identity. That's number one. Then we also need the identity of difference of squares. A squared minus b squared is the same as a minus b into a plus b. We need these two identities for us to be able to simplify that rational expression above. Okay, let's start with x cubed minus 1. We see that this is clearly a difference of 2 cubes because it can also be written as x cubed minus 1 cube. Remember, 1 raised to any power remains 1. So if you're unable to see that 1 can be written as 1 cube, then you will miss out on this solution. You'll not be able to have any way forward. All right, so now, following this identity of difference of cubes, it will be x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x squared plus x plus 1. Now, x squared minus 4 is the same as x squared minus 2 squared. So we find a difference of 2 squares. Now let's write it using the difference of 2 squares identity. It will be x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now, rewriting our rational equation using these identities, we're going to have, in the place of x cubed minus 1, we're going to have x minus 1 into x squared plus x plus 1. All of that divided by, in the place of x squared minus 4, we're going to have x minus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x squared plus x plus 1 all over x plus 2. All right. We have this fractional expression divided by this fractional expression. Just like with numbers, you have a all over b divided by x all over y. We maintain the first fraction, change this to multiplication, and we invert the other fraction. Okay, so we're going to maintain this fraction, x minus 1 into x squared plus x plus 1 all over x minus 2 into x plus 2. We change this to multiplication, and then we invert this other one. We have x plus 2 all over x squared plus x plus 1. So we can now see that x squared plus x plus 1 cancels off there, and x plus 2 cancels off with this one. And so we end up with x minus 1 all over x minus 2. All right? We pay attention. We don't get to this level and then we say x here cancels this x. That's not possible. Such reduction process is not possible. It's not correct. So this is the simplified form of this expression over there. X cubed minus 1 all over x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus x plus 1 all over x plus 2.